Hi, and welcome to another Thinkific example video. I'm so excited to show you this site. This site started being built about a year ago, and it's literally been a year in progress as the founders were building out the content for the site, and we were working on pieces of it, and they're now ready to release it to the world. And so I couldn't be more excited to share this with you. If you don't know me, I'm Brainy Girl, or Kim Garnett, and we help novice course creators get their courses online and into the hands of their buyers. So let's hop onto the screen now and let me show you around. So Brand New has created this incredible elite athlete transformation program, and we had some unique challenges with this particular site. Within the program, there's actually 5 different courses, or pillars they're called in this case. Now with Thinkific, you can't sort of release new courses, or in their case, new pillars, as someone completes them. So we had to use Zapier to help us make that happen, so that when one pillar was completed, another one showed up in the student's dashboard. The other thing about this program is that they sell it both to organizations, to athletes, and to parents. So we needed very different language for the 3 different demographics. So what we ended up doing on this one is giving them the option of segmenting themselves, either up here, or if you scroll down the page, there's 3 buttons that they can click on that will take them over to the appropriate sales page for that demographic. So for instance, for the organizations, we take them over to the organization sales page, which speaks to organizations specifically. It shows them what pillars are in the program. They can download it here. There's an overview of the 5 pillars on this page, and they can click on the Learn More button and learn more about that specific pillar as well. And then at the bottom, because Thinkific does not give us the option of selling bulk licenses right now on a Thinkific site, we had to do an application form at the bottom for organizations. So the organizations would get in touch with Brand New, find out how many licenses they needed, and then the licenses would be issued from the back end of Thinkific. So that's for organizations specifically because they buy bulk licenses. Now, for the athletes, it's a different flow because the athletes could just enroll themselves. So the language here is different and speaks to specifically to athletes. Again, it goes over the 5 pillars, and they can click on the Learn More button to learn more about each of those pillars. And then there is a call to action button here to allow them to enroll themselves. So there's no application on this. There is just the call to action button to allow them to get into the program. And then the 3rd demographic is for parents. And so again, a little bit slightly different language, similar flow. And as you can see down here, there's even different language on the call to action buttons here that allows them to enroll their child or their athlete in the program. I absolutely love the branding on this site. I think it's well laid out, well organized, allows them to segment as they go along. So it's not just well designed, it's also designed to be high converting. We've also added another custom page here, which is the Meet Our Team page, which allows people to learn more about the founder and CEO and the VP of Business Development, and to get in touch with them as well. So they're thrilled with the site, we're thrilled with the site, and we can't wait to see what they're going to do with it. If you need help getting your course online and into the hands of your buyers, click the link above or below. We'd love to help you out.